So we were trying to do this number 1 and 5.4, and I was kept on getting the wrong answer. We were using the right formula, so it does need to be the this formula here. Let's see if I can zoom into it. P equals P is the amount needed, or the total funds. That's what we're trying to find, is the total funds. R is the payment amount that you're going to be getting. So in this case, they switched the numbers on me. But then so I is not just the 0.056. That's what I have been plugging in. The I is actually 0.056 divided by 12 because we're doing monthly payments. And they, by default, if they don't tell you what kind of interest rate it is, it's always an annual interest rate. And so the idea is this is actually a 0.056 interest rate per year. And you need to change it to monthly because you're getting monthly payments. And so the idea is this I is actually computed by taking the 0.056 in my case and dividing it by 12. And so this is how you end up plugging it in. So for the I, you actually plug in divide by 12. So anytime you see an I in the equation and they give you an interest rate, it's not, the interest rate more than likely is annual that they're giving you, and you need to change it so that you divide by whatever the type of payment that you're making is. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if it doesn't make sense, and we can talk about it more on Thursday.